what about Simon Harris over the last few days then? Do you think he has done well? It probably has been a little less dramatic than some might have expected.
Yeah, and some may have hoped.
Political writers.
Yeah, I mean, it has actually. I mean, it's my understanding that this really only kind of came on the table once Micheál Martin had his Oval Office one-on-one and face-to-face, that Taoiseach and Taoiseach spoke and said, we're going to need to do something, we're going to need to put together a package. Simon Harris's options were all pretty limited here. There was excise duty and there was extending the fuel allowance, and then there was this hauliers rebate. There wasn't a huge amount he could do. What I thought was interesting throughout this process, though, was that nearly every time Sinn Féin hammered the government or put out a statement, Simon Harris would retort. That's unusual for a finance minister. A finance minister normally keeps their counsel. They work studiously in the background. They get the hit, they get everything thrown at them, and they take it. I'm not sure Simon Harris is willing to just take it.
And they have surrogates then who'll go on the TV shows and the radio shows and do the batting for them. Talk to me a little bit about that, though, Cónal. Simon Harris won't sit and take it. That you could argue that, well, why should he if he thinks he's right? If he has a position to defend, is it maybe not better that he goes out and fight? Because, Fine Gael, Sinn Féin are top of the polls. So if you're second or third and polls, maybe you should fight.
Absolutely. But we would have talked about this probably by around the time that he took the finance brief, that it wasn't such a power grab, but it was a move to prevent anyone else in Fine Gael gaining a position of influence that could topple him or call into question his leadership, right? And he's used the finance brief so far, based on what we've seen, as you say, to fight back and fight his party's position, because they've been, that kind of second stool in the coalition's a tough position to be in. Politicising the finance ministry is going to be an interesting one, though, because I wonder, Sinn Féin's financial credentials, I think, have been called into question repeatedly, so he may have an easy time of it there. But when you're making those tough budget decisions and you have to come out and defend them,
you can't keep everybody happy. You just can't.
You can't. I'm not sure he's going to be able to do it all, but I think you're going to continue to see this sort of fiery finance minister for the next while anyway.